guys, so I'm back. Wait. Yeah, anyways, I'll just hold you guys in my hand, but I'm back. Yes. Hold on. He's about to cook some dinner. Yeah. Oh god, I just bought back my tripod. Hold on. Yeah, as me did that, so I just buy back my tripod. So yes, I'm back and ting. So yeah, I'm making saltfish. Yo, this shit is too funny. Now I'm gonna make saltfish with baked bean. Saltfish with baked beans is what I'm gonna have for my dinner. Because then, okay, you guys. So if you're not following me on Snapchat, I'm sorry, but wanna hear what happened to bully beef?
Wanna hear some bully beef? I will stop a ban from Jamaica. Wanna hear about it? I wanna don't hear about it. Comment below if you hear about it. And if you're familiar with the little rant on Snapchat. Yeah, because I go after, because I have 2 in my fridge, in my cupboard right now. Yeah, I mean, I wonder what the hell I have to do with it. Because who want to eat square meats? And you have some greedy people, they shall remain nameless. I talk about we are good dead anyways, so just go and eat it. Like, oh my gosh, like how could they do that to the bully beef? Like, you know how much poor people that save, you know how much night bully beef saved me? No, people must say I'm upset. I'm very upset about it. I'm very upset about it. I'm not even telling no lie. I'm very angry. I'm angry at the people that are Brazil. I'm angry for the people that are Jamaica because we don't have our own cow. So we don't have to import things from Brazil. For what am I gonna stay so? And then the other day me hear so what 2 Chinese people kill 1 police officer. We don't make the Chinese people that come in and take over the place now. Soon it's gonna be called China-Jamaica. Yeah, everything are gonna be made in China, in Jamaica. Like, well, I'm not official, but anyways.
I don't know how to right now, so come let's cook together. Cooking with Zoe.
2017. Them think a smile man I greet them with butter. Bell buckle man I beat them with. You could pity them, you must think them big butter. Bell buckle man I beat them with. So if one of them brother we have done what it is a German is why I'm the other cup. I feel like it back and I like it is a German is why I'm the other cup. See them a run down the afterlife. Them a run down the afterlife. The pussy them a get this way and try it is a German is why I'm the other cup. Tell us below yard. Right now me talk them now no yard. Walk out bumbo clock me a go hard. Heavy matic heavy rifle. Bust up in a sleep and just kill the ball and the go yard. Go and move a road and then a mathematic the go yard. No man no one. Get them through what you do. I got you do. Hey down below what them feel like. Them a play too much concept art up. Butterfly in a real life. Transform like Optimus Prime so my history no rewrite. Your bad badness never leave you. Just like riding a bike. Boy like fly down with the kite. So if one of them brother we have done what it is a German is why I'm the other cup. I feel like it past and I like it is a German is why I'm the other cup. See my run down the afterlife. See my run down the afterlife. The pussy never get tasty and bright. It is a German is why I'm the other cup. Year and memorial last year them dead off. Devil link down a town come and tell me say all of the black clothes fell off. Left them like a hounded dog and it come like a madman spread off. You see when the smoke clear, gonna run it place clear them scared them run off. Them a die vice in the place and turn off. Get it phone them up, sit phone them up. Pussy color crack like stone a broke. Anybody can say your phone a broke. Your job by your face, we ready to deal with the wicked and last year. Woman there them a wipe her last year. You know see your just keep them wash here. And your little friends just get the last year. So if one of them brother we have done
Hi guys, how are you? Another car journey adventure. It is Tuesday. Whoa, it feels like the week literally just started. I'll go run out of space on this phone, yeah, and then I don't think I have any more space. So what are we gonna do? I don't know what are we gonna do. I'll be back. Guys, hey, what's up? It's Sunday, April the 2nd. Yep, we're in April. Yeah, we're in April, and I'm in Walmart with her. Getting some stuff done. I'm so excited. Oh, what are we looking for? Jewelry? I'll be back. I can't focus. I'll be back. or whatever. Yeah. Oh my god. See, I know I can do it myself. I love this. And see, they have the gold and the clear like I want and stuff. Yes. No.
This one is pretty, by the way.
In it. So good. So good. And then the fro. Jesus Christ. How we would have reached, how these would have reached in Jamaica.
This would have been the barrel.
But how this would have fit in at the bar.
Probably have to put it together. It probably comes apart.
But like this. Yes! Oh my god, I'm so excited. Yeah.
Like even if we were to say like maybe head table behind it or something like that. It's cute.
Yeah. Yeah, the poster board and just hang it. I feel like I'm gonna try on a dress like this.
Yeah. No.
No, I can get them where I'm getting them.
Where you gonna get married?
Jamaica.
Yeah.
So yeah. Okay, can I see the white on it again?
You're a mess.
Sorry, I just need to, you know.
Problem.
Yeah, I like this. I like it. I like it a lot. Yes, I like it a lot. I want these two.
No for that one.
Yeah, I don't like
don't
the
like it
golden.
anymore.
That one doesn't really look that gold. This one looks more gold.
That one looks yellow.
Yeah, it looks more yellow. You know?
What's
Yeah.
wedding?
Yo me tira 55 from a